what does car insurance actually cover? Here's the breakdown. A standard car insurance policy usually includes three main types of coverage. First, liability coverage. This pays if you cause an accident that injures someone or damages their property. It doesn't cover your own car. Second, collision coverage. This pays for repairs to your vehicle if you hit another car or object, no matter who's at fault. Third, comprehensive coverage. This protects you against things like theft, fire, vandalism, or natural disasters. There are also extras. Medical payments or personal injury protection can cover hospital bills. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you if the other driver doesn't have insurance. In short, car insurance covers liability, collision, and comprehensive, plus optional add-ons depending on your policy. That's car insurance explained. Subscribe for more quick guides on insurance and personal finance.